Hey guys.
What's up?
We're at Monument Mount today in Massachusetts.
Yep.
It's a beautiful day out.
Yep, about to go on a hike. We're going to drop on the trails here.
Oh yeah.
Got the trail map.
We're going up to the top today. Gonna get you some beautiful drone shots. Gonna see what's up there.
Yeah.
And we'll see you guys soon. So Dane, before we get too deep into this hike, we're almost at 100 subscribers, right?
We are. Getting there.
Tell the audience what they should do.
Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then, just like,
comment on and subscribe.
Videos. Yeah, let us know what you want to see next. If you have any cool trail suggestions, Hickey Trail, and go up, or do you want to do Indian Monument Trail, which would be more fun? Because we could do this whole, loop, and we could drop on and do all 3 trails almost.
Hey guys, we just made it to the peak. It's absolutely beautiful up here.
Hey. We just got here. Took us about 45 minutes to get to the top. You see the yellow? It's a beautiful tree. I should tighten my shoes, shouldn't I? They're so loose. Bah, 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 bah.